Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. In my last two videos, I dealt with the short answer type questions of chapter 2, The Adventures of Toto. In this video, I am going to discuss long answer type questions. There are few long answer type questions which I am going to give you, like write your views in form of short paragraph on the topic should animals be kept as pet, or while keeping pets at home, what all things should be kept in mind. The answer of the both the questions may be same, means the slight change will be there, but you can start like this. Before bringing a pet in the house, we should remember that these animals can neither speak nor express as human beings. As a pet owner, we should know that there are a number of dangers that lurk in our households for these creatures. We should always keep pesticides and medicines at a bay from the animals and children, as they are a potential threat to them. The areas where pets might start fire inadvertently, such as kitchen or fireplaces or plugs, should be covered. We should never have pets unattended around the open flames. Small electronical cords are also harmful for them, which may cause injury to them. So, should be kept at distance. All the pots and all bottles should be properly closed. So all these points you will discuss in your answer, and the answer will become about 100 to 150 words, and that will be your long answer. The second question is, how can you say that Toto was a mischievous pet? You know very well that in this chapter, at various places, we have read about various places his mischievous activity has been discussed. And you can write, Toto was indeed a very mischievous pet. It tore wallpapers of the room. It tore school blazers of the child, the writer. It troubled other fellow animals in the in the stable where he was kept. Whole night he didn't let any animal to sleep. Uh, he sat in the kettle uh, because he was very fond of taking bath in warm water, and was nearly half boiled. So you can write that incident um, clearly. Then he made holes in dresses and curtains. He also frightened Anglo-Indian ladies and ticket collector also. He broke dishes and he had troubled the whole family. So all these points we will discuss in answer number 2. You can write down elaborately. Number 3, describe the incident at Dehradun railway station after reading the story The Adventures of Toto. In this answer, you will write about grandfather visit to Saharanpur, that grandfather had to go to Saharanpur for his pension, and and he knew that Toto was very mischievous, and um, it did not let the other animals sleep at night. So he decided to take Toto with him. So he put him in the canvas bag, but when they reached the station, Toto started jumping to get out of the bag. Due to that, the bag also started jumping and rolling. It not only jumped, but it started rolling also, and so the people at the platform got surprised. And when they reached Saharanpur, the ticket collector saw Toto in the grandfather's bag, and he charged grandfather 3 rupees, 3 rupees as his fair, Toto's fair. Then question number 4, Toto was not good enough to be kept at home. Do you agree to this statement? Why? Why not? Or Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. Explain. Giving examples from the text. In this answer also you will write the same things. So you will explain the same points which we have discussed in answer number 2, that he was very mischievous and he was not good enough to be kept at home because he had destroyed everything, many things of the house. About all the things, whatever we have discussed in answer number 2 about the wallpaper, the school blazer, the troubled the other fellow animals, then sat in the kettle, the whole incident, what had happened to him. Then he made holes in the dresses, frightened the Anglo-Indian ladies, ticket collector. He had broken the dishes. So everything you will discuss in this answer. So this answer will be complete by discussing all these things. So in the next video, I will discuss the few more questions, a few more long answer type questions. Thank you.